So here we have a new Zippo, nice modern box. See here, VIP, authentic product, 207 Playboy cover, November 1994. I see that Zippo likes to use the older, pretty much the 70s, 80s, 90s Zippo, Playboy covers for their model. Sorry for the Zippo models, not so much the newer ones, but here we have, I don't know who that is, a blonde telling me to be quiet, but let's see. You know, of course, the Playboy little insert there, the back literature. This one just gotta get added to the Playboy collection, so I take off the sticker. This is a 2024, so the model is from 94. She's photographed, so 30 years later she's put onto a Zippo. She probably puts her in her 50s. No, let's see, probably 60s now. I wonder what she's up to. But 2024 stamped bottom. Alright, we're gonna listen to it for the first time. Splits right over her head. That's, you know. Beautiful sound. 24 insert. I'm gonna remove the flint. Right out. Hand tighten it. Put her back together. Great addition to, trying to slip out of my hand. Great addition to my Playboy collection of Zippos. And then we'll just bag and tag. Just like that. Boom. Then lick. And whenever I'm doing these, I always crimp the corners because they a lot better. There we go. Thanks for watching, guys.